guys, my name is Kate.
How's the weather today?
It is hot and sunny.
Which season do you like most?
Cool season.
Do you like Angry Birds game?
Yes, I do.
Who is your favorite character?
Yellow bird.
Now look at the cardboard. What kinds of birds do you like most?
Parrot.
Why?
Because it's so colorful and it can talk.
When did you see parrots recently?
At Pattaya.
Where? Pattaya, right? I mean
Yes.
when?
4 years ago.
4 years ago. Now, please read me the bird's picture dictionary.
Duck. Parrot. Flamingo. Penguin. Pelican. Woodpecker. Hummingbird. Ostrich. Eagle. Peacock.
Good job. Thank you.
Bye bye.